Would you like to have 5 income streams with multiple income funnel? Then watch the video all the way to the end. Okay, let me show you those 5 income streams now. First of all, if you go there, it's a start there, but if you go here, you click on links, it shows you, they call them links. These are all the capture pages that you get with this system, and there's a link attached to each one. That's why they call them links. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back in and you check all the training that's included with this system. First of all, you have weekly training, then you have market system training. This helps you to become a better marketer. Look at all the training and information in here. You don't have to do this all at once. You can do 1 or 2, whatever you got time for, and then when you got time again, come back and do some more. But be sure to go through them so you can learn that system. And then you go back, you exit the training again, and then you go back in and there's some more training. And they call this the 7-tip training. First of all, it's lesson 1, work on you. That means work on your personality. Then you got lesson 2, shows you where and how to get traffic. Then you got lesson 3, shows you how to do your follow-up, and lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this opportunity. You don't need much, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then you got lesson 7. Once you go in there, you see there's some more bonuses there you can check out once you get in there. And then you exit all the training. If you go in there, you'll see all your teams. And if you click on here, it'll show you all the leads you get once you start advertising. And look at, there's lots of them. And you get an email with each one, so be sure to follow up. If you want to work with them, they want to hear from you. The company follows up, but they want to hear from you, so be sure to follow up. Okay, then you go into your resources. Now, here's a sample of emails you can use to do your follow-up. You can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you. But like I said, be sure to follow up. Then you go back into resources again, and you can see this helps you with your advertising. Look at all the banners you can use to advertise here. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm advertising. Then you go back in again, and it shows you your social image advertising you can use. So all these things are a great benefit to help you with your marketing. Then it shows you Facebook posts, and then it shows you how to get traffic. And then I also got a bonus income I'll tell you about later if I don't forget. Okay, now let's say that you kind of like all these things. You want a little more information. Okay, you're going to click on Start here. And I'll put a video under the link so you can watch Matt do a presentation of this opportunity. And with that same link, you can also join. So be sure to join after he does the presentation because it's definitely worthwhile your time to do that. And right now, usually it's $97 a month. Right now, they have a special on for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. They also have a yearly plan available. You pay another $350, and then you don't have to worry about payments for a whole year, and then you make a $200 commission. That's the route I took, and you definitely do save some money. You basically get 2 months free that way. Then you got step 2 and step 3. You can put your own opportunities in here if you have any. If you don't have any, take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10 a month, so be sure to check them out. Then you got your back office. Step 4 is your back office and also traffic authority. You can get good leads there. They've been in business for over 10 years. And multiple income funnels been in business for over 4 years. So these are all the great legitimate income opportunities. Let me see now. What else do I have to tell you? I think I pretty well covered everything. Oh, my bonus. I keep forgetting about my bonus. And this is another way I get leads. For $1 a day, I get 100 leads, and every 24 hours. And at the end of the month, I'll have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And you also make a little commission if you get somebody in. So that's definitely worthwhile checking out if you get in there. So when you get started, be sure to check that out. Okay, go back to starting. Okay, I think I showed you pretty well everything how to get started. And I also hope you people are having great weather. We're having great weather this year. And like I say, be sure to get started with this opportunity, because it's a great opportunity. Get 5 income streams and you only have to share one. So how much better than that can you get it? And it's a low income start. So that's all I'm going to tell you for this week. So I hope you guys are doing great, and we'll talk to you next week. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video. And we'll talk to you next week. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.